Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today is a collaboration with Hooked on Nails. We are doing a summer glow, which means it'll glow in the dark, hopefully. I went ahead and painted my nails this beautiful, beautiful pink. It is called Bombshell. It is by iGel Beauty, and it is DD212 Bombshell. It is this beautiful, beautiful, summery, beautiful pink. Whoops. Gonna get it all over the place now. It's gorgeous. As you can see on these nails, it is perfect for this manicure. It's perfect for summer. I kind of went ahead and painted them. So I'm going to put some stickers on. And I'm going to put them on the ring and the index finger. Yes, I am. Where's the blue one I want? Whoops. Whoopsie. Okay. I say. There we go. And for the index finger, especially the ring finger. What shall we do? What shall we do? I think I want a yellow one. I think I do. These look like they kind of want to lift, so be careful. I got these off of Amazon, I believe. I don't remember what I paid for them, so I can't say. But they look like they kind of want to lift. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Whoopsie. I just keep moving this all over. Maybe I should have used... I mean, these are stickers, but maybe I should have used some She Modern's glue gel. I want to make sure they're down good. I don't want any, popping up on me. So, let me see. I think that's it for those. We're going to put some bling on our other nails, but I'm going to be using this by Your Sugar, or You Are Sugar, however you want to call it. It's a no wipe top coat, except it's sticky. It is sticky, but this is I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. Let me see. It's a luminous top coat, no white. So, having a brain kerfunkle. Guess I'm going to swipe these again over the nail. I don't know. We'll see how this turns out. Hopefully it'll be good. Down in the comments, the first comment will be pinned. It'll be the playlist so you can see everybody's video that did a video. Otherwise, you can see everyone's photo on Instagram. Because there are some ladies who don't do videos. And that's alright. To each their own. Some of them don't have channels. So, but you'll be able to see everybody's video plus the collage on Instagram. I am JUST.NAILEDIT. So look me up there. Follow me along. I will follow back. I'm going to pop these in the lamp. I'm going to give them a full cure. Yes, I am. So we'll be back. Alrighty, we are back and out of the lamp. I am going to top coat with Ideal Beauty top coat. I'm going to put me on some bling and a tiny little pair of glasses. I think those kind of scream summer. I do have from Tammy's Manny's. She gave me a tiny little pair of sunglasses, but I can't find them. I don't know where I put them. That would have been so cool on this manicure. So cool. It would have been really cool. It would have looked really good. It really would have. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. Oh, we don't have enough top coat there. As well as subscribe to all the other girls that are doing videos, or follow the others on Instagram. We'd all appreciate it. And I hope you will click on the playlist, view everybody's video. That we would appreciate your support. We really would. So I'm going to pop the sunglasses on this one. And I'm going to put this in the lamp. Very full cure. Now we're going to play on the other nails. Just a brief momento. Hope my noodle's not sticking up here in the way. Whoopsie. There we go. Let me get a couple of itty bitties. Just a couple. Whoops. Whoops. Let me look here. Alrighty, and on to our thumbnail. Oh, we didn't want that big one. That is for certain. Just one. One big one per nail. And two littles. Two littles. There we go. So I'm putting on there. We're going to pop these babies into the lamp. We are going to put these on a full cure, which means 60 seconds. Okay, I'm going to shut the lights off so we can get the full effect of our glow nails. Unfortunately, I don't think they hold a charge long, in my opinion. You pop those back in the lamp just briefly. I think they turned out really super cute, but they don't stay lit up long. Here we go. Here's my glow mani, my summer glow mani. Let me turn the lights back on. Woo. Let me fix my light here. There we go. And here is my finished manicure. I think it's really cute. Got some sparkle, some butterflies. I was gonna do some daisies freehand, but I didn't know if they'd be too busy. Then I got the glasses up here, so I don't know, but I like it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure and the glow that we showed. I think it's really cute. Oh my goodness. So let me know what you think. Please subscribe, click the bell, click all. And we will see you next time. Have a blessed day and thank you.